For the first lesson we're going to do, it's a pipe cleaner bird feeder. And the purpose is not only to make a bird feeder, but it's to work with their hands. Preschoolers, they are learning to build their muscles in their hands, which is very important so that they can develop into stronger fingers so they're able to write and hold the pencil and do those types of things when they get into school. So in your bag you'll have a pipe cleaner, and it is important that you just loop one end so that the Cheerios don't fall off. And then you will have your child just simply string the Cheerios onto the pipe cleaner. And I would encourage them to maybe even count as they do it. 1, 2, and that might work. 3, woo, 4, and it's quite tricky to watch their little fingers maneuver these materials. And when they're done, you can knot the other end and hang it outside on a branch. Thank you. Should I show them? I'm almost there. Yay. So you would go a little bit farther than this, and then you would loop the other end and simply hang it.